Hey guys, welcome to our channel Tatarina. In this video, I will show you how to reset or recover Gmail account password if forgotten. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Let's start. At first, you have to open the Gmail app and then log into your account. And here, tap on your profile. And right there, tap on manage your Google account. After that, scroll here and then tap on security and then tap password and here at your screen you can see enter your password. You guys don't have to enter your password right now. If you forgotten your password, you just can't enter it also. Now tap on forget password. And then it will ask you enter the last password you remember using with this Google account. You'll have to tap on try another way. And then it will ask you to enter a new password. And then it will ask you to confirm the new password. And then tap change password. As you guys can see, I have changed my password. In that way, you guys can also recover your Gmail account password if you guys have forgotten your password. Thanks for watching our video. If this video helped you, then make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you guys want to watch more videos like this, then visit to our channel where you can find a lot of videos like this. Thanks for watching the video till the end. See you with another video. Till then, stay well and stay safe. Bye-bye.